Do you know about the world's least exclusive club? Well, China is building one. China lists 109 countries as partners. It includes India and Pakistan, Russia and Ukraine, Israel and Palestine, Iran and Saudi Arabia. Mr. Xi Jinping is visiting South Korea this year and also North Korea. No other country in the entire world has access to world leaders across such dividing lines. But there are a few rules to get into this least exclusive club. Rule number one is do not give moral lectures like the US and Europe does. Non interference is a core value of China's foreign policy. So, the way you conduct your elections, your human right problems, the way there are people protesting in your country, it's none of our business and do not interfere in how we run the country. Rule number two is take few points as granted. You know, Taiwan belongs to China, what the country does to Hong Kong and Tibet is justified. And unlike other clubs, you will not be removed from this club, but there will be a few signs. China waits for partners to see their errors by refusing to buy their wine, timber, or fruits. This is what China did during COVID when Australia raised some points at China and China stopped doing business with Australia. The limitation of this club is China is not coming to save you from USA. So classic example is downfalls of Nicolas Maduro and Ali Khamenei. Formal military support is not on the table when you are in this least exclusive club. So while the world is moving away from US, it is looking at China. So now half of the world is already a part of this exclusive club and half of the world is thinking to join it. But it is only with time we'll see what are the consequences of joining this club.